Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok without having 1000 followers. You have to follow very carefully guys, this is very important and it works. Let's launch the TikTok app first. First thing I want you to do guys, I want you to click on the lower right corner and hit your profile picture, okay? Then I want you to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the top right. Now I want you to click on settings and privacy. When you're over here, I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and I want you to click on report a problem. Don't lose your time over here on popular questions, Q&As, account recovery. All this is useless, guys. Don't lose your time. All we gotta do is to go all the way down here to submit a report. And you're going to message TikTok exactly this. I'm going to show you, okay? First thing, you want to be very polite. Hi there, okay? You want to be very polite and you want to let them know that I was wondering why I am missing my live function on the app, okay? You want to let them know that you are a very successful streamer but on other platforms. You can say that I am very successful and influential streamer on other social medias, okay? This is very important. You let them know that you're big or you're very influential but on other platforms, and you want to tell them that you want to shift your followers and your group of people that follow you on TikTok. You want to move them from, you can put examples, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitch. This is very important because you show them that you already have experience as a streamer, you already have community, that community will follow you, and these people will be coming and will be watching you. Now you want to tell them that my main focus will be TikTok, and I would be very thankful if you can give me this function. You send them this one, guys. You show them that you're someone who is very successful, who is coming with the community, is not going to be walking around doing nothing, and this will motivate them to give you the function because they know that they're going to get cut. Remember, every time when you get gifts or tips while live streaming, TikTok gets cut, you get your cut, everyone wins. This is why they prefer to give you this option instead of giving the option to someone who is not going to be streaming. They have 1000 followers but they're not streaming at all. This is the message or similar message that is very close to your experience or your situation. You're going to send to TikTok and TikTok has to reply to you and will essentially enable your function to go live. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.